So how this feature works is called external CRM segments. And there are a couple like setup things you have to do first, and then you're actually able to use it. And so I'm in a test account. And so I'm going to walk you through the setup, and then I'll walk you through how to actually use the tool. And then I'll show you kind of like how to make a query from that at the end. So the first thing you have to do is you have to do an import, because you have to create a saved import format. So that's what we're going to do first. So under data and reports, import, I have a test over here. I'm going to pull over. So we're going to grab this. Okay. So then either add new or here, it doesn't really matter. So this test file that I'm bringing through only has one row of data. You can see it matched first name, last name, email. And then this is the button that you have to tick. So this is going to be, we're going to call this test for NGS is going to be the name of this. Copy that. And we're going to import and confirm. So what we've done now is we've saved that particular import format so we can use it later on. All right. So now that we've done that, we really don't need this to finish. That's okay. So now we're going to use the import tool. Okay, so then you guys are in the Toronto database. Yep, so you're going to use this one. All right, so then this is what this tool looks like. And essentially, we have to fill in everything from segment name to the top. We need to get a token. So we're going to go back. You're going to go to hello. You're going to go to your account settings. Tokens, and then we just need a private token from here. If you don't already have a token, you would create a new private token. So we're going to go ahead and paste that token in here. This reference name is just going to show up in the jobs. This is test for NGS. I'm going to choose my file. I'm using the same one here just as a test. Obviously, you wouldn't. The format name was, there we go, test for NGS. Then the segment ID and the segment name. The segment ID has to be just an unbroken string of characters, and the segment name can be typed out like with spaces. So I'm just going to use test for NSG, and this is going to be test for SG. Okay, we're going to go ahead and submit this form. There we go. So we're just going to come back over here. I'm going to refresh the jobs monitor. Okay, so that imported. So now if I go to data reports and go to external CRM segments, there it is right there. And then importantly, if I, let's say I was going to build an audience query using this, you can go to this CRM tab right here, and then it's right there. And so now you have that external CRM segment as your audience for the email you're going to send.